Hey, how you doing, guys? 11 Charlie SC here again with the second part on the Arrma Kraton A-arms installation from RPM. Now we're gonna finish to that. I'll show you guys the part number. This is the rear A-arms on the Arrma Kraton. So we're gonna be installing that here today. But before that, that video should be quick, not like the other one. It took too long. Like I said, guys, that was my first how-to video that I did. You know, usually the other videos I just install it and give you guys any tips or what to do or not to do. So I'm just gonna do a quick shout out. Got some stickers, channel stickers, and let me show you guys. This is from 432 RC Otero. 432 RC Otero. It's awesome. Thank you, brother. So he sent me 3. Awesome. Red, blue, and white. Awesome, man. This will definitely go into the Banner Brothers door. And let's see. Wait, says 11 Charlie RC. Here's the stickers of my channel. Thanks for the support and plus comments. Keep doing what you're doing. Felix is 432 RC Otero. Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate it. And so you know where that is going. Right there, Banner Brothers. Cool. Okay, so let me get this stickers stuff out of the way. I don't want to mess them up. And let's get into the installation. I show you guys in the other video, like I said, how to do the front ones, and I installed one the rears also that I show you. Like I said, I was learning ever work on Arrma Kraton before, so I just want to make sure that you know how to. I don't want to run into no problems and all that stuff. So I use it's easy installation, a lot easier than the front. You know, in the front you got more parts. It's upper A-arms and lower A-arms. This one is just the one. And so this should be a quick video. So let's get into it. Let me set you guys here. You guys can see here. So on this one, let's see. Right there. Okay, so now first thing I'm gonna do is just take our shocks out. This is a 2.0 millimeter here on top. Set this to the side. Take the pin out. Make sure, guys, don't lose anything. Like I said in the other video, I like to do one side at a time. You know, make sure I messed up anything or I forget anything. If I don't take pictures or stuff like that, at least I have the other side to, you know, to guide me on. And I'm gonna take this right here, the sway bar. Sorry guys if this video taking too long, but like I said, I wanted to do a video, you know, installing the whole thing on it. Let's see how it goes. Now it should be it. Now, okay, right here. This is a 2.5. Yes. See this can see this right here. Yes. There you go. I'll break into it. I want it so Loctite on that. Make sure, guys, to use Loctite, especially in those parts that are metal to metal. You know. And make sure you don't lose these spacers. Got two of them. This the complete spacer. It goes if you're looking from the rear. This one goes first, and the two. You got two spacers here that go on the front. So make sure you don't lose them. You don't want anything wobbly or none of that stuff. So now it should be out. Exact bone out. It should be out. It's like that. This is the stock one. Gotta take that screw, set screw in. This is the, see right there. Gotta take that off. This is a 2 millimeter. Now, just bear with me, guys. Oh, right here. I'm losing stuff, guys, losing stuff. So this is the RPM rearm, and yes, I just gotta make sure it goes the same way. So yes, let's go this side. So I'm just gonna set that screw in there. So it's right there, set screw. So now just put back everything together. Like I said, it's a lot. This is a lot easier than the front. Front, you got more parts on stuff. So there you go. Okay, so now I'm gonna do is put the sway bar back in. I believe that, yeah, this is a 2 millimeter. And stuff like this, I know some parts I don't like to use the power tools. Yeah, I don't want to strip nothing, or you know, especially when you're working with plastic. You know, I don't want to ruin it. You know, it could be Yes, it's a lot faster, but I just want to be safe on that. Yeah, I'm lefty, and this arm had problems since I came back from Iraq. Had surgery on it, so sometimes gets numb and start hurting and stuff like that. So that's why I'm having a little bit of a trouble. So that should be it. And the shock, this one should go right here. I'm setting them up like the stock ones. Okay, so sit in there. I gotta remember. See, I told you guys I forget stuff. Yeah. Those spacers, all that stuff. I'll make sure that put the dock bone back in, but other than the other side, I thought I was done, and I let the freaking dock bone out. So we're almost done, guys. This right here. Give her a little bit of a trick. Sorry guys, if you can hear my dog trying to play. So that's it right there. I think I lost you guys for a minute. And now what we gotta do is putting back this nut on. That's it, guys. Now what I have to do is to put back the wheelie bar mount that I got from there you go. Gotta put back the wheelie bar that I have from T-bone racing. It's awesome. Awesome. So that's it, guys. I'm not gonna do the T-bone racing wheelie bar 9. So that should be it. Like I said, that's easy installation, a lot easier than the front, and the same thing. It doesn't have that play, like you saw on the earlier videos that I showed you on the first part of this video. You know, the stock A-arms had a lot of play on it. Now this one is barely. So it should be better, and while you drive on the hand, and all that, the suspension should be a lot steady, all that stuff. So I hope you guys like it. Like I said, this is my first time doing a complete how-to. I usually, like I said, just install it and give you tips on all that stuff. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know if I need to fix anything. Like I said, I'm not an expert or nothing. I'm just learning. Some of you guys, I just like to do this for the new people that don't know how to, you know, work on the RCs, all that stuff. I will post the link below, all the part numbers that I use for RPMs, where I got them, the link to that I got them Amazon, the tools that I use. This is a must-have tools. You guys already saw it in an earlier video that I did, and you need to get the right tools for it. So that's it, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna post down below the links of the parts that I use today, RPM parts, and all the tools. So thank you guys for watching. 11 Charlie RC here. Be safe, guys.